Hello, it's me again, guys, and today we're making Sunday dinner Jamaican style. For dinner today, we're making some stew beef, fried chicken, rice and peas, salad, and all works. So if you love what you're seeing, please continue watching and see how I create this delicious, yummy, beautiful plate of food. This is just an introduction of my dish for today. So we have our beef cut in small pieces already. We're going to wash this and season well. We're also going to use some chicken. We're going to do fried chicken. We're going to do potato salad. So if that's of interest to you guys, please continue watching. But this one will be a silent video. There will be no voiceover, and I won't be talking in the kitchen. So just watch me work and enjoy the beautiful background music provided by YouTube as well. Yes. So continue watching, guys, and I'll catch you further on in the video. But if you're watching to this far and you haven't subscribed as yet, please do so at this moment. Like the video, share with a friend, and also save for future uses. Yes, you can save it now, guys. Yes, so save the video. But to my returning supporters, let me take this out the way. Thanks for always coming back to check out my videos. And for the new supporters, let me welcome you guys as well. So continue watching and I'll catch you at the end of the video. Do enjoy the music. So here you have it, guys, my delicious Sunday dinner, well served. Yes, and I fried some plantain off camera. I made some cucumber and lettuce. I just chopped those off camera, and we're doing that with some avocado. We call it pear in Jamaica. Yes, and this is my finished dish, guys. Rate me in the comment section. And do let me know if you want to see more preparation of Sunday dinners from Jamaica as well. So thanks again for watching, guys. Please, again, like the video, share, drop me a comment below, and do subscribe if you haven't as yet. And a shout out again to my returning supporters. Much respect. And for those coming on board as well, respect you guys as well. So thanks for watching. So until next time, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.